I am Vipasha and I joined Vishesh Academy of Commerce when the pandemic was ongoing. During lockdown, I was worried about my studies and board exams, but Vishesh Academy of Commerce helped me overcome all my problems. They conducted online classes, weekend test series, and PTMs to discuss my result and overall performance with my parents. I really appreciate Tilak sir and Sunil sir for their selfless service. After the lockdown got over, they conducted offline exams and repeated the whole syllabus again. And they also provided us notes for every chapter and recorded video lectures on the Vishesh Academy app. And tests were also conducted on the Vishesh app. I personally recommend you to join Vishesh Academy of Commerce for your betterment.